Concepts continued. Polymorphism. Here poly means many and morph means shape, and one task can be performed different ways. One task can be performed in different ways. Example, car class car. Here car has different objects and we can use them in a manner. And next one is encapsulation. It restricts the usage of methods and properties in this code. In this, code and data are wrapped together within. That means it can't give access to outside of the class. And next one is data abstraction. It hides the internal details and show only functionalities. Like we can't use its details and we can use only functional properties on that also.